There are several fascinating methods being developed. One method uses special asphalt mixed with tiny capsules of a rejuvenating agent. When a crack appears, these capsules break open, releasing the agent that binds the asphalt back together. It's like the road has its own first aid kit. Another method involves embedding steel fibers in the asphalt. These fibers can be heated using induction technology. The heat melts the surrounding asphalt, effectively sealing any cracks. It's like ironing out the wrinkles on your clothes, but for roads. These self-healing technologies can significantly extend the lifespan of roads, reducing the need for frequent and costly repairs. Section 4. Benefits of a world with self-healing roads. Self-healing roads sound cool, but what are the real benefits? Well, for starters, imagine smoother, safer roads for everyone. Say goodbye to those bone-jarring potholes and dangerous cracks. This means fewer accidents and a smoother, more enjoyable driving experience. But the benefits go beyond just driving. Self-healing roads are also good for the environment. They last longer, meaning we need to produce less asphalt, which is a major source of pollution. And because these roads require less maintenance, we use less heavy machinery, leading to lower carbon emissions. Section 5. The future is now self-healing roads in action. While it might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, self-healing roads are already being tested around the world. These innovative roads are designed to repair themselves when damaged, reducing the need for constant maintenance and repairs. Imagine a world where potholes and cracks are a thing of the past. The Netherlands was one of the first countries to experiment with self-healing asphalt, and they've seen promising results. Their roads use a special type of asphalt that can heal itself when exposed to heat, extending the lifespan of the road and reducing repair costs significantly. Researchers in the United Kingdom are exploring the use of self-healing materials for potholes. These materials can fill in cracks and holes automatically, preventing further damage and making roads safer for drivers. And in China, engineers are testing roads embedded with solar panels that can generate electricity and even melt snow. This dual-purpose technology not only helps in maintaining the road, but also contributes to sustainable energy solutions. The future of self-healing roads is bright, paved with innovation and driven by the power of AI. These roads can monitor their own condition and alert maintenance teams when repairs are needed, ensuring that they remain in top condition. This technology has the potential to revolutionize our infrastructure, making our roads safer, more efficient, and more sustainable for generations to come. With self-healing roads, we can look forward to a future where road maintenance is less disruptive and more cost-effective.